welcome back to my channel. I'm Deni, and today I have my Walmart beauty box. I believe this is the spring one because it has some lovely green and purple. So before we get into this box, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and click that notification bell. So let's hop right into the box. When I open it up, there is a little card on the outside which says embrace your beauty. I think it always says embrace your beauty. I don't know. And then it has this lovely green spring paper. You pull it back and you reveal a bunch of products. So let's go right in and see what we got. The first thing that I'm seeing here is a Dove exfoliating body polish, which I'm very excited for. One, because I've never seen this product before. I like scrubs, and this is a brand that I know, although I haven't used Dove in a very long time. I'm very intrigued about this. Ooh, then the next thing that I'm seeing in here is from Rembrandt, and it is a 3-day whitening boost kit. Now, if you've been around with me, you know that I have been searching for a cheap alternative to whiten my teeth. And here I have, I guess, 3 days worth of whitening, which makes me very excited, and I will definitely take advantage of this. So then the next thing that I'm seeing here is a toothpaste from Hello, and this is naturally friendly sensitive relief fluoride toothpaste. It's in soothing mint and coconut oil. I don't know what coconut oil has to do with toothpaste, but we'll give it a try either way. Now I'm seeing some repeat offenders, and you know, with Walmart, I feel like they always have a lot of repeat offenders, a lot of things that I've seen before. The first one being the Jergens Natural Glow Wet Skin Moisturizer, which we've gotten this about 4 times now. So this is definitely a repeat offender. I don't know why they always send this guy to me. This one actually is supposed to gradually and subtly give you a glow to your skin, so it makes your skin from fair to medium, where the other ones were just regular lotion. Tanning products and things that alternate your skin color kind of scare me a little because I am not ready for that. I'm always scared that I'm going to turn into a orange Cheeto, which I don't want to look like. So this I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do with, because honestly I might not even use this at all. Then another repeat offender is the Aquaphor. This is the Advanced Therapy Ointment Body Spray, which I received in the winter box and still have not tried. So now I have 2 of them, and I have to try at least one. If this product works out well for me, then I have a backup. If it's something that I find is fickle and I don't like, then I will be putting the second one in my giveaway. But more to come with that in the future. And then I do see something that is sort of new. It's a Pantene foam conditioner, and I've never seen this product. So it's a foam conditioner. What is this, like a dry shampoo? Foaming conditioner. Shake well, apply. So you just apply it like regular conditioner after you wash your hair, and then, but it's a foam conditioner. Intriguing. I'm definitely gonna give this guy a try because I've never heard of this product. So cool. So then the last thing that I have here is from Aussie, and this is the Mega Hairspray, and I rarely use hairspray, so this is something that I might be passing off to a family member just because I know they do use hairspray and I do not. So there are a few cards and things inside the box. There's one from Rembrandt. Oh, it's actually a coupon for $2 off on those whitening strips. And I don't know how much this usually retails for, but it's something that if they work, I'm going to be glad that I have a coupon for. Then the next thing is a pamphlet for the Pantene foam conditioner and how to use it. All of those details are here. Oh, and then they sent me a, this is actually a hair tie, and there's a coupon for a free box of hair dye from Clairol. and I am pretty excited about that. This coupon actually expires at the end of this month, so I'm gonna have to go and purchase a box of hair dye for free soon. Ooh, there is a bonus item here. There is a sleep mask. Okay, calm down, Deni. So this is from the brand Soe, and it is a Berry revitalizing sleep mask. It's for brightening and renewing, and it says here restorative overnight mask, which I am in love with overnight sleep masks. They make me really excitedly happy. I don't know why. So having one of these is pretty cool. I didn't even know that Soe made sleep masks. So this box has been a-okay so far. I mean, besides the two repeat offenders. And then I also see a pamphlet for the Aquaphor spray, which, I mean, I have to just bite the bullet and try it out. And the last one is about the Hello toothpaste and I guess the other flavors that they have in that toothpaste. That was everything that I received in my Walmart beauty box, and I was very excited. This time around they sent me 8 products, which is a lot more than they normally send. I believe they normally only send like 5 or 6 products. That's all I've ever really seen, but this one really surprised me. So getting 2 dupes didn't really feel so bad when I received so many new things that I have not tried. And if you're not familiar with their Walmart box, it is a $5 subscription. Usually the $5 just goes to the shipping and handling, and then the box itself is free, and it is shipped quarterly. If you want to get your own Walmart box, I'm going to go ahead and leave those details down below in the description bar below, and you'll be able to get yourself your own box. So if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Become a member of my Gonz fam, and as always, from my house to yours. Love ya.